Okay, this is the new Juki LK1900B. It's their latest model, introduced in 2014. Quickly, we're going to show you how you would install a pattern onto the machine. Basically, you would put the USB stick in, turn the power on. Okay, and basically we would go to the M button and move down to communications. Okay, we get that, we'll select it with this key. Okay, and then we can see which way we're going with this. So you can see the picture of the USB being installed to the panel, because you can change it. You could either save it from the panel to the USB or to the USB to the panel. In this case, we're going from the USB to the panel. Alright, and showing you which button here to press to confirm it. And that's the pattern 51, which is what I have stored on the USB, and I want to store it as 51 as well. So these arrows here are showing for these arrows, and this plus and minus are referring to this plus and minus. So we're going to just change this. You can see that. And I'm going to change it to 51. Okay? And if we're all set, here's the key to press it, to do that. Once it's done, you're going to turn the power off. Okay, and we turn the power on again. This is showing you, it's pattern 51, and you see there's a picture of an EEPROM there. If I were to change that, see, it shows the machine is showing standard. Those are the standard bar tack patterns, which we can disable them, meaning that we don't have a clamp set up for that. But in that case here, this is the pattern that we're using. So there, you've installed it. Now, if you had to create a new pattern and we want to store it in the same location, the only way to do this is first delete pattern 51. So in which case, what we're going to do with this is we're going to press the M button again, and we're going to go to pattern copy. And here, instead of copying 51 to 1, we're going to change 1 to the trash can, basically. And then we'll press this button to confirm, and I'm just going to press this down arrow, or up arrow, excuse me. Erasing is performed, okay, yes, and then we'll press this button here, and then it'll erase that. And then you would just shut the pattern machine off.